So next we'll cover the 2-inch chassis. So the 2-inch chassis it's only a 1/4 inch wider, but this is more consistent with duty belt or 3-gun belt widths. And the intention is not to go in the trouser belts. It probably won't fit, but more so to be used with the Velcro underbelt. So I'll show you guys that in a second. Again, the same as the 1.75, you can use a single piece that you size to your waist, or if you want that versatility of the ability to resize it as needed with winter clothing and things like that, then you can get 2 pieces and size it appropriately. So when they're all configured, I'll just set these aside. When it's all configured and the M3 belt is inserted just in the same way that you would insert it. Actually, one thing more to note, you can insert MOLLE pouches on the 2-inch version. You'll see there's thin webbing that runs the top and the bottom, and those are going to be compatible with MOLLE, in addition to weaving the belt in and out as desired. And so this one you can see is configured. It's threaded into it. One thing I forgot to mention on the 1.75-inch chassis is the other straps that hold the belt at the front, and that just prevents them from moving back and forth and coming off, especially when you're using it in harness configuration. So what I'll show you guys now is just the donning and the doffing of the full duty belt system with the underbelt. So the underbelt is donned just as we showed you guys earlier. Right there. And then this has already been sized to me. Again, the Velcro piece that holds this internal flap down, you can use it, it's optional. Doesn't really matter. The other thing to note too is that I have not cut and burnt this end. Although this running end, I have threaded it underneath the laminate there as well, just to keep it, because it is sized to me. Once I put it through there, then there's no need for it to have that access. Even if I do need to resize it, I can just pull it through. But just that added friction will prevent that from loosening on you inadvertently. So that's why that tail is still there, but normally I would just cut and burn that. So we'll find the center of the belt and put that up in the center of the back, right over top of the underbelt, and adhere it down over top, and then just connect it at the front. And then the underbelt kind of locks to the chassis with the hook and loop adherence, and there you've got your belt. And again, that is compatible with the M3 harness leg loops that we'll show as well in a later video.